Welcome back, guys. Got the lovely hand throw going on here. Today's Tuesday, and I'm thinking about starting a new thing called Tip Tuesday, and I'll just be posting probably some really short videos on Tuesdays, tips on whatever, automotive stuff, anything. So mainly going to try to stick with the automotive stuff because I know that's what you guys want to see. But anyways, check this out. Hope you guys can see that. Picked myself a nice lovely Honda hat. Start with today's tip. Here we go. Alright guys, so today's tip, we're going to talk about trying to diagnose mechanical sound coming from either the engine or the transmission, something mechanical in this area of the car. We're not going to talk about suspension because the tool that I have that I'm going to show you guys is mainly, or the trick is mainly for mechanical issues or mechanical sounds, something in the valve train or maybe something in the bottom rotating assembly. The tool that I recommend that you guys pick up for trying to diagnose weird sounds is, let me move this stuff out of the way. Okay, this is an Automotive Stethoscope. If I can get the thing out of here, I can show you guys. So this is an Automotive Stethoscope, and pretty much what it is it's a stethoscope, just like what the doctors use. You put this side in your ear, and then that probe side, you're actually going to touch it and make contact with any particular area that you think a sound might be coming from. So if you're noticing a weird humming sound or ticking or anything like that, like you can hear in this video, you can hear my valves ticking a little bit, but that's fine. But if you want to try to pinpoint specifically where the sound is coming from to help you diagnose the issue before you go out and buy a bunch of parts replacing things that's not broken, get yourself a Automotive Stethoscope. And I picked this one up from Harbor Freight. It was, I think, $5 or $10, but you can get better ones out there. It all does the same thing, but you just probe this to whatever area and just listen. That's going to magnify the sound quite a bit and should help you figure out exactly where your noise might be coming from. Now you can even use this, you can touch it down on you could put it down on pulleys, like next to pulleys, anything that's got a bearing in it, and you can listen for abnormal sound or wear. If you guys don't have access to an Automotive Stethoscope like this one here, don't worry, there's other ways that you can tackle this issue, and that's with a set of some long screwdrivers. Now I got two here. I got a Phillips head and I got a flathead. Doesn't really matter which one you got, as long as you got a nice long rod. Okay, could even be a 1/4-inch steel rod or aluminum. But these guys right here, they're probably about 2.5 feet long, and you can use these as a stethoscope as well. And the trick to that is you would take the end of your screwdriver and place it on a contact area that you think that the sound might be coming from, and then this end here, you'd actually stick your ear to it. You put your ear flat on the top of this part here, and that's going to magnify the sound. And what's cool about this is that it's not going to break. You're not going to lose anything like the other one. It's in pieces that you have to assemble, and you can stick this one deep down in the areas and listen. Also guys, it helps that if you have another person to help you, that way they can sit in the driver's side of the car and just give it a little bit of gas, just to put some load on the engine and transmission and all the moving parts to maybe make that sound amplify just a little bit more for you to help figure out exactly where the issue is. Alright, so guys, I just want to make sure that you guys are clear with the safety involved in this. Be very careful, especially if you got long hair like me. You know, I got all these dreads and stuff. Be careful when you're putting your head down next to the engine. That way your hair doesn't fall down into a belt or a pulley and yank you in there and do all kinds of damage to you, okay? So make sure that if you got long hair, that you pin your hair up, guys, in a ponytail, man. Wear that thing in a man bun if you're doing automotive work, because the last thing you want is to get your head sucked into an engine or into a fan or something. That's not going to be fun. You can get yourself burned on the engine and on the on the manifolds and stuff. So guys, just use caution when doing this stuff, and I hope that this tip worked for you guys. Stay tuned for next week's tip video. If you found this video helpful in any way, please share it. Share it with your friends, and this is what the channel's about. We're all trying to help each other out. We're trying to get the information out there. But share it, hit that thumbs up button, guys. That helps out a lot. You know, it helps get the video out there more to other people. So make sure that if you watch the video and it wasn't too bad, hit that thumbs up, man. And also subscribe, because there's going to be way more content like this and way more fun stuff. Y'all take it easy.